It's going to allow me to direct my server towards the directory that I want it to. Um, and down here, of course, is where I start my server, catch any unhandled or any rejections or any errors, and initialize basically this whole entire async function. A little bit about my package.json. Here's a few dependencies that I'm using. I'm really using Happy, Inert, NodeMon, Path. I'm not really using Bootstrap or Popper.swagger. These are a few dependencies that I was just playing around with. Here's the link to my GitHub. And of course, when you initialize any repo, you get this nifty little package.json. But yeah, enough about the code. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So I'd have to start up my NodeMon. And the nifty thing I said about NodeMon is that you do not have to restart your server every single time. And that will get annoying. So I suggest NodeMon for anything regarding a server. See, you can just restart it and, pops right back up. So it was on my port 3000. So let's check that out. Okay. So as I said before, here's my directory. You can, view all my CSS files if you need to, HTMLs as well. But really, here are the main pages that I was using. Here's the main sign-on that it would look like. Nothing fancy. I'll probably put maybe a picture here or there, but I didn't want it. I wanted to be very plain at first. So they don't get distracted. Simple username, password. You can put that in. Won't really do anything right now. But of course, password you can't see, and then links towards these two pages, and then enter button. But from there, you can go to my homepage where you then see these pictures or images of our different organizations. So my organizations, of course, we're sometimes associated with great apes. Kappas are rabbits, sigmas are wolves, Qs are dogs, deltas are elephants, zetas are doves, AKs are frogs, and SGROs are poodles. But as you can see here, if you click on any one, you get information about each organization. I probably include a back button just so the user doesn't have to keep going back and forth. But it works for all of them. And of course, you see here is on my server, so I'll most likely connect the database to it next. But so far, this is my website, Greek Unity. And thank you for your time. Enjoy your night or morning.